Hi everyone. The Industrial CG platform, a Blender branch tailored for advanced CG workflows, is officially released. It supplements Blender with key features for industrial production, helping it integrate seamlessly into professional VFX pipelines. Our first release includes native deep EXR support, Lightgroup material passes, shadow color adjustment, and built-in Qt UI. You can download this version now from our official website. Here are the core features of this version. First, shadow color. We have added color properties to all lights in the world environment in cycles. This lets you tint shadows cast by different light sources. Shadows are no longer just the absence of light. You can now color them for flexible, artistic control. Second, light group material passes. By splitting each light group, you can output separate diffuse, glossy, transmission, and volume passes for every light source. You can even isolate direct and indirect light, giving compositors massive freedom in post-production. Third, built-in Qt UI support. This helps you integrate professional UIs for pipeline tools. For example, our new View Layer Manager is built entirely on Qt. It centrally manages all view layers and supports presets, greatly boosting daily efficiency. And fourth, native deep EXR support. Cycles can now output native deep data to integrate with mainstream deep compositing. You can output deep EXR files directly or output deep data per view layer in the compositor. More features are in active development. Join our community to stay updated. Next, we will show you in Nuke how to combine these material passes and deep data for some basic compositing. Let's get started.